The roof is a major area for radiant heat. It's also a major area for noise. Sunlight penetrates, especially on a black car like this 73 Camaro. Sunlight heats up that roof. It's about 280 degrees. One layer of the HushMat up here on the roof, it's going to take that down again. Just like the firewall, it'll take it down to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Insulate the roof for a more comfortable and quiet ride. Much like we did before, we'll start at a straight edge and we'll just work our way across. A lot of guys will say, whoa, wait a minute, maybe is that going to be a problem putting it overhead? Is it going to stay stuck? HushMat is rated to over 550 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it's on this roof, it's here for the life of the Camaro. It's not coming off. Then you just put these panels side by side right across the roof. You've insulated this roof. You're going to have a much more quiet and much more comfortable ride. The other issue is when rain starts hitting the roof. It sounds like a drum inside here. As you can note, stock vehicles don't have any treatment on the roofs, on the floors. HushMat really is designed to insulate your automobile. And think about it. Would you ever live in a house that wasn't insulated? Of course not. Well, every day you drive a car that's not insulated. HushMat is a solution. Just like I did on the doors, pair of hands, that's all you need. Peel and stick. It's the easiest product to install. You can do it yourself.